Hi, Deirdre here, just going to show you how to do the staff productivity sheet. So just so we can see clearly what we're doing, I'm going to put on wrap text and I can see my headings a bit clearer, and I'm going to right align those. Okay, and so now it's easy to know where to center my heading across. So I'll just do merge and center and then increase that a bit, and it's just a bit easier to work now. So these, just looking across from left to right, the first column, we've got all the names of the people. Column B then is the number of hours worked. Column C is how much they sold. So Anne, for example, worked for 10 hours and in those 10 hours sold €5,000 worth of food. And then column D is the number of tables that they served within the 10 hours. So column E and F, we're trying to work out on an hourly basis how much did Anne sell per hour and how many tables did she serve per hour. Okay, so all we're doing is we're saying equals, click into the cell, equals to start, and it's going to be the money divided by the hours. Okay, so the hours will always be on the bottom. Okay, so on average she sold 500 per hour, and the next one across is the number of tables, so that's D4 divided by, and again it's the hours we'll use. Okay, and we can select the two of those there and get our fill handle and drag down. And now we can get totals down the bottom. Okay, so we can select down here and we can get our totals. Put in the first and then click and drag, and these are per hour, so it doesn't really make much sense to total them up, and I might just make them bold and maybe make these bold here as well. Okay, so now we're trying to work out the average sales per hour. Okay, so in here we're going to click on the FX button. There is another way to do it. You could choose out here, but I'm going to show you using the FX button. So the insert function, click on this one on here. Now if you can see it down here, you can just select it, but if you didn't have it listed down here, you just start to type and type in average and press enter, and when you press enter, all of the items relating to average will appear. We'll select average on the bottom and click on OK. So it's saying to me now, you want an average. I can see that it says average up here. I got the right one. And it's saying, what would you like to have the average of? So this is sales per hour. So I'm going to click and drag across all of my sales per hour. So it's now saying, get the average of E4 to E18, and you get the dancing ants around those cells. That's exactly it. And we'll click on OK. So the average sales per hour was 138. Okay, and let's see the average tables served per hour. Again, we click on our FX. We were using average recently, so we can just select it in the bottom half and click on OK. And now, and I'm just clicking and dragging that out of the way, and then I'm clicking and dragging over the numbers here. Okay, so it's now saying get the average of F4 to F18. That's perfect, and OK. And you can see you get your 1084. And then you'll format your sheet.